video series of Python. So here in previous video series we have seen list function. So we were working on operations on list. Now we will see different methods, how we can use different methods on list. So let's go ahead and use our first method as append. So we have taken example of this list1, list2. So if I want to add some element in the list1, like let's assume 4, so I have to use that list name, and then the method name is append, and then provide the element, and then I will just execute the list. So as I'm using notebook, I can print the list as it is. Otherwise you can do like this also. So both are one and the same thing. Because we are using notebook, so this is okay. Now if I have appended 4, let's try to append the same element once again. Like I will append 2 once again, and let's see. So yeah, so even if 2 is available, I can append the same element. Now if I have appended same element, if I want to see, because of course our list is very small, and if we want to count, because I know that okay, I have a list and in which 2 is there for more than one time, I want to count the number of instances, how many times that element is present. So we will use the method name count, and we will use it like this way. So this will work in this manner. If we want to count how many times element 1 is present, so yes, of course, as you can see, here is the list. 2 is present 2 times, 1, 3 and 4 is present 1 time. So it will provide 1 or 3 or 4. If we are searching with the help, we are checking how many times that element is present, it will provide count as 1 only. So first we saw append, how to add elements in the existing list. We can add the same element in the existing list. Then we have seen if we want to count the number of the number of occurrences an element is available in the list, so count function. And next is if I want to see at what index position some element is present. So like I want to see 4, at which index position 4 is present. Okay, I have used this name as wrong. So it will say that okay, 4 element is present at index number 3, like 0, 1, 2, 3. Because if I want to exactly, if I want to count like this way, list 1, and in bracket I will say 3, so it will provide me 4. This is when I know the index. If I want to know the index, when I know the element, this is how we will find out at which location this is present. I hope you have liked this session. Please hit like on my YouTube channel and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.